I'll order 365 days in jail, credit 1 day, the balance is suspended. That way, what we can do is you can have this all done before you go to Texas.
Welcome back, everyone. Today's case is one of those rare courtroom moments where the law, raw human emotion, and even a touch of humor all collide. We're about to witness the sentencing of Miss Smith, a defendant who isn't just standing before the court with regret, but also with a story of redemption and family sacrifice. From the very first moments, the prosecutor highlights something unusual: genuine remorse. But is remorse enough to sway a judge? Stick around, because this hearing takes twists you won't believe. From emotional apologies, to life-changing moves across state lines, and even some unexpected banter about hot weather and peanuts.
Yes, peanuts?
This is not your ordinary sentencing hearing. Keep watching, because by the end, you'll see how a judge balances compassion, responsibility, and justice in one of the most memorable courtroom exchanges we've ever broken down.
Real changes, additions, or deletions. And we did review the recommendation. We asked that you adopt it. I will say Ms. Smith has shown an incredible amount of remorse for her actions in this case. We sat in that office next door, and she was clearly emotional. Clearly, this has affected her every day since this happened. I think she'll be very successful on probation, and you will not see her again. Out of a lot of defendants, she has shown that I've worked with, she's shown an incredible amount of remorse for this horrible mistake.
Here's something powerful. The defense attorney doesn't just describe Miss Smith as remorseful. He emphasizes that her regret is unlike most defendants he's worked with. That's rare. Courts often hear, "I'm sorry," on repeat, but the sincerity doesn't always ring true. Judges and prosecutors are the trait when an apology is real versus rehearsed. So, here's the question for you. Do you think deep remorse should play a major role in sentencing? Or should punishment remain the same regardless of emotion? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Because what's about to follow will show exactly how much weight remorse carries in this courtroom.
Anything you want to tell me before I impose sentence?
Yeah, I just wanted to apologize to the victim and thank the court for his mercy. That's it.
I remember taking your plea.
Please. Me too. Me too.
And what was clear to me after that plea is we were going through it.
It's okay. I'm gonna hear it. So I'm sorry, I don't.
There is doubt in my mind that you had remorse. And I think at your very core, the part that probably hurt you, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but is you weren't raised this way. This was not you.
At all.
And you knew it.
I know it.
Yeah.
Notice what the judge just said. This was not you at all. This is a fascinating legal and psychological moment. Judges don't usually step into personal territory like this unless they believe the defendant truly acted out of character. He's essentially saying, "You weren't raised to behave this way, and you knew it." That acknowledgement shows the court sees her as more than just her crime. But here's the twist: while empathy is being shown, the law still demands accountability. What do you think? Should a single mistake define someone forever, or should their character and past carry more weight?
And probably at the time that it was going on, you knew. And then it all kind of caught up and you had to face it. But I will tell you that your reaction to the court while I was taking the plea, because the other thing about it is, as I was taking the plea, the only way I can describe it is it hurt. right?
It did, and it does.
Yeah.
Still does.
So what Ms. Perrone says about sitting in the office talking, I don't doubt that one bit. All right. But here's the thing, Ms. Smith. Everybody in life does things. And at some point do things in one way or another that is quite frankly not what we were raised to do, not what anybody ever taught us in any way we should do. We just, for whatever reason, you almost think you just lost your mind.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, temporary insanity.
Almost, yep. And then
This part is eye-opening. The judge calls her actions temporary insanity, not in the legal sense, but in the everyday, human way. We've all made decisions we can't explain, those moments where logic disappears. But in a courtroom, that phrase carries real weight. True insanity, as a legal defense, is extremely rare and complex. What the judge is doing here is making a human connection, acknowledging mistakes happen without excusing them. It's a balancing act, punishment versus understanding. Question for you. If someone admits their crime was pure stupidity, should that reduce their sentence? Or should consequences stay the same?
reality hits and you really can't explain why you did it. You just, because you know you're better than that.
I'd say stupidity. That's all I can say. It's stupidity. It's okay.
Maybe for that brief moment, I don't see you. I went through this report and everything. I don't see you as stupid at all. I just think stuff happens. That's the way I look. All right, Ms. Polero, you've risen.
Yes, Your Honor. I just wanted to advise the court. I know when I completed the PSI with Ms. Smith, she had indicated that her lease is up in October.
Her what? Her lease?
Her lease
Yeah.
is up in October. Her daughter has moved to Texas and she's wanting permission from the court for her to be able to move once her lease is up.
Where is she moving to?
Texas.
Yeah,
Moving to Texas?
Here's where the story shifts. Miss Smith isn't just asking for leniency. She's asking permission to move states, all because her daughter got into Baylor University in Texas. This is where law and life collide. Judges often have to decide, do we keep someone under strict local supervision, or allow them to rebuild their life somewhere new? And let's not forget, Texas is an 18-hour drive away. Imagine the leap of faith the court has to take, trusting she'll follow through with probation requirements while living in a completely different state. Do you think the court should allow this move, or keep her closer for oversight?
Yeah, she had accepted to Baylor for occupational school there. My family's,
That's your daughter?
it's my baby.
Congratulations, Mom.
Thank you. Thank you. So I just want to, my lease is up. I just want to go and make housing and be there for her.
Ms. Smith moved here
For her.
because she was going to
U of
Michigan.
M.
And so she's,
She
Where did you
graduated
move from?
from Detroit.
Oh, okay, well,
Yeah.
that's like
Still,
down the road. That's,
Ipsy, I don't know anybody up here. I'm here alone now, me and my dog.
it's
know.
Detroit. It's right down the street.
Yeah, it's 30.
It's not,
I
it's not like,
don't,
okay, hold on. Ms. Smith, when you go to Baylor, when you go down to Texas,
yeah,
that's a move.
I know.
Right?
Yeah, but I'll be close.
Where do you move? Detroit. Wait, really?
That's far.
Where?
Detroit from Ipsy.
Detroit.
Man, I don't do that freeway.
It's like 45 miles.
That's a long way.
Okay. How far is it to Texas, to Baylor?
18 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I won't be coming back. I promise.
Why?
I'll fly. I've had enough.
Are you,
Again, I'm just
you're going to drive down there?
Yeah, I have to take my stuff
Okay.
and the dog.
and the
Okay,
dog.
here's the only other thing. You like hot?
I do.
Do you?
It's good for you. I need it. Vitamin D.
That's some serious hot.
It is.
No, that's serious hot.
It's okay. It's okay. Better than waiting.
She kind of sound bitter.
Now, this is an unexpected twist. Did you catch that? The judge calls her bitter about Michigan, and suddenly the courtroom lightens up. From serious sentencing to playful banter about states, sports teams, and even the weather. This might seem unusual, but here's why it matters. Courtroom tone can shape outcomes. Judges often test defendants with humor or small talk, watching their reactions. It's not just casual chatter. It's a way to measure sincerity, attitude, and even humility. Do you think this lighter moment helps Miss Smith's case by showing she's relatable, or could it backfire by making her seem dismissive of her situation?
I just want to move forward. Michigan, I'm over. I don't.
What? She's now criticizing the Great Mitten to the north.
I'm sorry.
My home state.
Mine's too.
My
Born and raised, but I'm over it. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
I feel insulted.
Oh, don't.
No, I feel insulted. You know, I was going to change this recommendation.
I'm like, please,
but
please.
I was changing, and now I'm headed the other way.
I know, right? I love Michigan. I love I do.
Okay, now this is better. This is more like it. I don't know about the Baylor Bears.
You know about the Bears?
The Baylor Bears?
What do you know? You do know.
I know about Baylor. Baylor has a very good softball team. They just can't. Actually, they did beat Oklahoma, but then something happened. I don't know.
Well, she's going for occupational therapy. She was accepted. She got her letter. She starts January 24th.
That's beautiful.
I know, right?
All right.
Here I am in court.
What? And here you are in court?
Yes.
Rectifying what you've done. And that's okay.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
It's okay.
Okay.
And so, you know, you could sit up there and you could say, yeah, this was stupid, this was whatever. But apparently, if your daughter's enrolling at Baylor, you did something right.
It's something right. Thank you.
Right?
Yes. That I know.
Okay.
That I know.
And her daughter gave her a talking to, didn't she?
Yeah. Yeah, she can't wait till I leave here. She's like, call me when you get out of court.
Okay. She didn't say it all like that.
She did.
Wow. I hope her daughter's watching because I want her daughter to
She's been watching.
how you scrunched up your face
Well,
like
she
that
knows.
about your daughter.
That's how she talks.
That is not how she. I cannot believe
With this
that.
situation, yes, it is. She's just disappointed as much as I am in myself.
Yes,
And she's
but still loves you.
oh, of course. Of course.
So when you said you were going down, like, okay, I just got to know this.
Mhm.
Mom, I'm going off to college. Oh, I'll come with you. What was her reaction?
Really? Yeah, because I don't want you to be up there by yourself. So we'll just move that way. And that's what I did. I got an apartment and stay here 2 years. And she graduated. She's gone. And
Your daughter is a better person than me.
she's
Because I love my mom, but my mom told me I'm coming with you.
no.
I said,
But
oh, that's not
my
it.
buddy.
I transfer school. Say, yeah, I'm at Maryland. I'll be down in Alabama someplace. Anyway. Tell you what I'm going to do. Miss Smith. And rarely, well, we don't want the conviction, so we got to do it that way. The $655 fines and costs and probation fees, when do you think you can get that paid?
Today.
You can pay all of that today? All right, here's what I'm going to do. When are you headed to Texas?
My lease is over October 26th.
Okay, hang on a minute. I'm changing this recommendation.
This is the turning point of the entire case. The judge just said he's changing the recommendation. Originally, Miss Smith faced 12 months of probation under a deferred sentence. But now, he's cutting it down to just 3 months. That's a huge break. Why? Because he sees that her own guilt and remorse have punished her more than the system ever could. This is one of those moments where justice bends toward mercy. But here's the bigger question: if remorse and character can reduce sentences this drastically, do you think it risks inconsistency in the justice system? Or is this exactly what fairness looks like?
You know, we put people under deferred. We look for people to hopefully learn something from the process. And I don't know that some of what we do is necessary for you, because I think nothing I could do, even if I sent you to jail, would beat you up more than you probably beat yourself up about this. That is clear to me. So I'm changing this. Instead of a 12-month prosecutor deferred, it's going to be a 3-month prosecutor deferred sentence. You're to pay $655 fines and court costs, $90 probation oversight fees. So you can pay that today.
Yes.
Pay that today. No use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to complete a theft class. You're to do that within the next 60 days. You are to complete 25 hours of community service as directed by probation. I'll set a review hearing. What would be my review hearing 3 months out, Ms. Blair?
October 9th.
October 9th, 2024, 9 a.m. I'll order 365 days in jail, credit 1 day. The balance is suspended. That way, what we can do is you can have this all done before you go to Texas. All right. So you can go down there in that heat and start with a clean slate.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See, when it gets hot up here and it's humid, it's like being a boiled peanut. Down there, she's going to be a dry roasted peanut. Unless you get too close to the coast. Then you get that humidity. And that's a special kind of
heat. You can see the heat coming off the ground.
What?
You can see the heat coming off the ground.
Absolutely. I'm telling you, it's hot.
I know.
But
it's okay.
It's hot. No, you got to like wear special shoes. Because you wear like the regular shoes we wear, like you'll stick to the ground. You'll stick to asphalt. All right. You know what? She's going to be trying to get out of a parking lot of a store, be stuck. And then she's going to think about me saying, he told me. Don't go. All right. Ms. Smith, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Tell your daughter from all of us, congratulations.
I will. Thank you. She knows who you are, because I ain't going to tell you where she saw you at.
No, see, Ms. Smith, you can't come up in court saying my daughter knows you. No, you just can't be.
She saw you on her phone and she's like, "This is where you going?" I'm like, "Yeah." She said, "That's him." I said, "That's him." That's okay.
That's why I call him Michelle each night and don't go anywhere.
She said, "Good luck." I said, "He all right."
Oh, he all right. Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Ms. Smith and Ms. Polera, because she will have completed everything. Do not waive her appearance.
No.
Because I gave her 3 months. She's going to have to come back.
I have to. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
You take care.
I promise.
I'll order 365 days in jail, credit 1 day. The balance is suspended. That way, what we can do is you can have this all done before you go to Texas. All right. So you can go down there in that heat and start with a clean slate.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See, when it gets hot up here and it's humid, it's like being a boiled peanut. Down there, she's going to be a dry roasted peanut. Unless you get too close to the coast. Then you get that humidity. And that's a special kind of.
You can see the heat coming off the ground.
What?
You can see the heat coming off the ground.
Absolutely. I'm telling you, it's hot.
I know.
But
it's okay.
It's hot. No, you got to like wear special shoes. Because you wear like the regular shoes we wear, like you'll stick to the ground, you'll stick to asphalt. All right, you know what? She's gonna be trying to get out of a parking lot of a store, be stuck. And then she's gonna think about me saying, he told me. He told me don't go. All right. All right.
I
Ms.
appreciate it.
Smith, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Tell your daughter from all of us,
I
congratulations.
will, thank you. She
All right.
knows who you are, because I ain't gonna tell you where she saw you at. TikTok.
No, you see, Ms. Smith, you can't come up in court saying my daughter knows you. No, you just can't be.
She saw you on her phone and she's like, this is where you going? I'm like, yeah. She said, that's him. I said, that's him. That's okay.
That's why I crawl in the shell each night and don't go anywhere.
She said, good luck. I said, he all right.
Oh, he all right. Yeah, okay.
But thank you.
Ms. Smith and Ms. Polera, because she will have completed everything.
And there you have it. In the end, Miss Smith walked out with a reduced 3-month deferred sentence, fines of $655 community service, and a theft class. But most importantly, a second chance. The judge clearly believed her remorse was real, her support for her daughter was genuine, and that punishment didn't need to be heavy-handed to be effective. This case is a reminder that in the courtroom, justice isn't just about rules. It's about humanity. So, what do you think? Was the judge too lenient? Or was this a perfect balance of accountability and compassion? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this case as shocking and fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.